I'm Amanda Parisher, and I want to show you how you can make EdTech work for you in less than 5 minutes. Today I want to take a look at a really cool math website called TenMarks, which is focused around Common Core math. This is going to save you time because it generates random problems around a specific standard, it's linked to Common Core, and it grades it for you. Your kids are going to like it because it gives them hints and videos if they get stuck. You can find out their score right away at the end, no waiting to the next day to get their paper back. I think that in 5 minutes, you can sign up for TenMarks.com, add in your student names, and create an assignment. First, go to TenMarks.com and click Sign Up. It's free to sign up for a teacher account. They do have premium subscriptions available, but the basic account that I use is free. The first thing you'll see is your home screen, which allows you to create a new class. Click on Create a New Class and choose what level you want your class to be. Now click on your class name and click on Add Students. Type in your students' names. Now what you'll see is a list of all the students that you added to your class. Click on the icon next to them that looks like a face to find their username and password. Click on Download Roster to download a PDF that includes one page for each student with their username and password. This is a great time saver. You don't have to worry about writing down each person's username and password. You're just going to print this out and hand one page to each student. It also includes a parent code, which will allow parents to log in and check their students' progress. Now click on the word Assignments at the top. What you'll see is you can assign this assignment to all students or choose specific students you want to assign it to. Then scroll down and look through all the albums or standards of topics. Select one. You have to set a due date before you're going to be able to preview this, so choose what day you want it to be due. You can choose 10 or 20 problems, and you can include a personalized message. Then click Preview Assignment. This gives you an idea of some of the types of questions that students will see. Not every student will see the exact same questions. So this can be great if you have students who tend to work together on the homework where one student is doing a lot of the work. If you want to go back and make changes, you can, or you can click on Assign Now. If you click on Open Assignments, you can see an overview of how many students have completed this assignment and their average score. If you click on View Details, you'll be able to see each student's score, as well as how many hints and how many videos they used, and their overall concept strength. I'm not going to click on this one because these are my actual students using them, and I'd like to keep their scores private. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons. I think it's great for students because it gives them resources if they get stuck working on the homework. They can click on the video or the hint. The greatest benefit for teachers is that it grades it for you. When I go in my gradebook, I'm simply looking at what the percentage they got right was and adding that in. You can differentiate by assigning specific assignments to specific students, and I sometimes do this as extra credit or makeup homework if someone's missing. It includes a concept strength indicator. It generates random problems, and it lets students know their score without having to wait for you to hand back the papers. It's also great that parents can log in. But some of the downfalls are that it doesn't tell students if their answers are right or wrong until the end. You can only assign 10 or 20 problems. So if students start out with a misconception and don't use the hints or videos, they could potentially use that misconception throughout all 10 of the problems. It doesn't include every concept I've wanted to use it with. And it has a lot of other cool features, but they're part of its premium account, so you have to pay for that. Thanks for watching today's Techie Teacher.